Alright, cheers, Randy. It's time to make a video. Look at that. Looks like a snowmobile track. It's been snowing all fucking day. Got off work an hour early to get drunk. Everyone's getting fucking wasted tonight. So, look at this shit. Look at this shit, motherfucker. Look at this shit. Oh, man. It was snowing all fucking day. As soon as they let us off, it stopped snowing. Look at how much snow is on the truck, boys. Look, you can't even see the fucking beer. How much is that? How much is that? About 1.5 feet? Ah, give me my brewski. Drewski. Give me my brewski, Drewski. Fucking heart. Suck it, motherfucker. Oh, fucking right. Cheers, boys. Canadian wilderness. At its best. Nothing like a nice cold beer in the winter. Cheers, man. Oh, fuck, cheers. Why sure, man?
I thought you said you were getting me a beer, huh?
Time we get high.
I did. Did I not? I literally, unless I put it in the fridge. But at least now you know it's cold.
Time to go live. Get drunk. Go live. Everyone's getting drunk today. Stay, dogs. I'm making a video, buddy. I'm making a video, buddy. All right, guys. So, this is my living situation. And now I have to take my fucking pants off. They're all wet. They're all fucking wet. I ain't wearing this shit. Not no more. Not any longer than I have to. But anyway, that's the best part of me. My dick. Don't you live or die. Okay. So, with that being said, everyone's getting drunk tonight. So cheers, guys. That's the outside. That's the winter situation here, and let's get on some tunes. I have to take a piss, like really bad. Gonna do a piss out here in a second. Well, time for a piss out, boys. Need my beer. I need my beer. Fuck's sakes. Fuck. Time for a piss out. Time to take a shit. Alright, boys. Get it in you as it's getting out of you, as they say. It creates a funnel kind of force. Hey, dog. Randolph. Don't look at my gut, Randolph. Oh, here's a jam room. Beauty of a drum set. That's what I say so myself. Recording studio. Time to get high. It's the best part of me. So, how's your guys' day going? Pretty fucking dandy, isn't it, Randy? Pretty dandy, Randy. Okay. Get on, bite it, you scum, and we'll be done with it. Cheers, boys. That's me in a nutshell. Oh, yeah. That's what I'll be smoking on for the next month. And everybody, here comes my foot. Salt Glass, Texas. Cheers, guys. Let's get high. Seriously though, it snowed like 2 feet today. I'll use your mom's face as a jizz rag. I'll use your mom's pussy as my jizz rag. Bite it, you scum! Whoa. Felt like doing the video, showing you guys the outside of the snow, getting a beer, coming down and getting high. That piss out was unplanned, but you know what I mean. He's for Cassie. Casanova, Nova Scotia, and Chabisa, Mosa Cosa. Cheers to all the cyborgs and the aliens out there watching this shit. Who'll be fucking up my fun? No one. Bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. I'm never gonna run. Bite it, you scum. Bite it, you fucking scum. Fucking hurts, man. I woke up the other day with a scratch on my leg. Don't know how it happened. I'm starting to think I've been abducted by aliens. And they did whatever they did to me, and then they left a scratch, which they're not supposed to. So say it'll probe your ass. Cheers, guys. 10 minutes or less. Randy Blythe for life. Alright, cheers guys. See you on the flip side. Tomorrow morning's never the next day because we're always here in the now and tomorrow never comes.